Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Cordless Circular Saw. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Craftsman Cordless Circular Saw. High performance motor, runs at 200 RPMs, for aggressive fast cutting. Tool-free beveling, shoe pivots up to 50 deg. For angled cuts. Metal shoe for added durability. Number 4. Milwaukee Cordless Circular Saw. Integrated rafter hook for easy storage between cuts. LED light for increased accuracy and visibility. Integrated dust port on guard end, included vac adapter. Electric brake for stopping blade after trigger is released. Number 3. M18 Cordless Circular Saw. Circular saw that is designed to provide powerful lightweight cutting for a variety of applications, including plumbing, electrical, framing, finishing, and carpentry. The soft grip handle is ergonomically designed to provide superior comfort and balance for easily controlled cuts. Number 2. Poppman Cordless Circular Saw. 20V 4000 mAh large capacity battery, allows for long working time once charged. Integrated laser together with scale ruler ensures precise and straight cut. The dust removal tube can be connected to vacuum cleaner to ensure a clean and clear working environment. Number 1. Dual Circular Saw Cordless. Power brushless motor of dual 7-1 or 4 circular saw provides 5500 RPMs maintaining speed under load. Bevel capacity up to 57 degrees for increased versatility. Capacity 7 to 1 or 4-inch blade of the compact circular saw provides 2 to 9 or 16-inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees.